Hey, my name is Colin Brown, and I've been a client of Ed and clients on automation for about 7 months now. It's going on 7 months, and let me tell you, this is literally one of the best decisions I've ever made in general, and this is the best investment that I've ever made into my business. And I've been in business for like 5 years now. Um, but it just changed everything from the mindset training, knowing an exact system to be able to get clients, and then all of the training and support behind it. It's on the next level. Like, I couldn't even describe it. You have to be here to really understand it. Um, I think within like my first month or so, I was able to get to $10,000 a month. And just this new program that I started, brand new, from going straight into this program. And ever since, I think I've hit 10K every single month since there. And I'm just continuing adding on. I'm continuing refining my system and getting better and better. And it's all thanks to Ed and his team. They're amazing. I'm telling you, nobody's even telling me to do this. I just had to come in again. I've already given a testimony or two or three, but I just had to say this again, man. So anybody that's on the fence, get off the fence, go ahead and do this. I'm telling you, it's going to be one of the best decisions that you've ever made. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, yeah, thanks, Ed. Thanks to everyone on the team as well. Couldn't do it without you guys, and I'll see you on the other end.